Live!
Hey.
Hello guys! Hello guys!
How are you guys doing?
Guy?
How are you guys doing?
Hello po.
Okay.
Magandang gabi!
Ganang nga besin yung lahat.
Yeah. Ay wait, patahimikin mo muna si Labi. Para fade out. Hinaan mo lang super. Hina. Gigol, play mo lang siya pero hinaan mo lang. Super. Yan. Yan. Okay, so mamaya na. So, let's greet first. 1, 2, 3.
Hello po!
We are
Horizon!
and we are taking over JBL's
Account!
yeah. We have hacked it successfully.
The hacker is Marcus.
Yes,
Yeah.
I hacked into their database.
Oh, you're
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Putol. Nag-ano siya, he has a monitor in his room and we were cracking the password. Can you guys guess what the password is? Please type in your replies what the password
You know
is.
if you get it right,
We will blink 5 times
Yeah.
if you get it right.
Yeah. Blink 5 times.
Yes, we will blink 5 times. But how are you guys doing? We're almost gonna meet soon again.
Yeah! Excited na kami ulit makakita kayo guys.
Yeah, syempre lagi kaming excited and looking forward to perform in front of you guys, and not just perform but also like, you know, interact with you guys. And yeah, but now mag-ano lang tayo,
Have fun.
chill lang. Bago kasi feeling ko marami nang di makatulog no, siguro kasi excited sila for what day is it?
It's
Monday.
Yun tayo hindi niya lagi alam Kaya dapat talaga tinitesting muna to.
Nalulod din pa.
It's December 9, Monday.
No! Like, what are we all waiting for?
December 14. 14, yeah.
Yeah, December 14.
What
at
day is
the-
December 14?
Sunday. If today is a Monday and today is 9, then 9.
It's Saturday.
I'm Saturday.
You're so good. How about you, Rayster? Are you going to tell something?
Yes. What?
Where will we be doing the JBL Sound Fest?
2024.
I asked the wrong people. Let me reiterate. When will we be doing the JBL Sound Fest?
December 14 at SM.
And then Winston, where will we be doing the SM?
At MOA Arena.
Yes.
What? It's not.
Yeah.
It's not in MOA Arena.
Where?
It's on MOA Concert Grounds.
Yeah.
Arena?
See, this is why we're also doing this live, because a lot of people wasn't there when we did a meeting.
Hindi, sa totoo lang sinacheck namin kung alam nyo din.
Kaya,
So, anong
kaya
password?
nagpakamali ako.
Good job.
Kaya,
Ayun guys, may
gusto ko mag-comment
nagtatype
kayo.
na ng mga
Mag-type
Ano yung
kayo
password
kung saan
daw? May nagtama na ba sa password?
May nakita ko kanina sabi King Pogi, 17 ito.
King Pogi 17.
Parang King What ng Pogi, 17. Wala pa akong tulog.
Wala po akong tulog. Kaya lang ang pogi mo sobra. Thank you po.
Siya na nag-thank you. Salamat po for you po. Yes, dahil ikaw yun.
Speaking
Love
on
you.
behalf of Kyler.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. You guys excited?
JBL,
Who's gonna go sa ano?
Yes. Please
JBL
spam
Sound?
the hearts.
Yeah, spam heart
Heart.
and send 500 pesos Gcash.
What?
Gcash ko sila na
D at R. Link to 2.
Binchi ang pogi mo.
No!
Yay! Thank you po.
Okay, sige, maghanap pa kayo ng pogi mo, tapos kayo din mag-thank you para sa iba.
Dare to listen yung password.
Dare to listen. Okay, blink 5 times. Joke lang.
Blink 5 times.
Biglang trinay nila, no? Biglang, mamaya in-attempt nilang i-log in yung JBL account. Tapos nagugulan sila sa JBL. Nahak na tayo talaga. Horizon, I love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Love you guys.
But, I know you guys are, I know you guys got some JBL products to get your tickets, so you should share.
Yes.
Comment down below.
Pero guys, kung
Kasi
kung magkakaroon kayo ng JBL products, anong gusto nyo kunin? Type nyo.
Hindi nyo alam.
Guys.
Natupad yung mga wish nyo.
What did you get? Kasi, we just wanna know. We wanna know what you
Password, mahal ko kayo. Hey!
Thank you po. JBL penging pera. Tangkad na ni Jerome.
Jerome!
You are
Ba't parang iba yung nagtitake sa atin?
Magiging ang si...
Yun yung concept natin
Nagpalit
today.
yung pangalan daw.
Magiging si Mickey na si Jiro.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, someone bought the Horizon 2. It's the one na may clock.
Yeah.
JBL Horizon.
Yeah, even
Wow.
before JBL and Horizon was a thing, they already had a product called a Horizon speaker clock.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
it's Syra.
we actually got to use it.
So I
many
think it's
times.
meant to be that JBL
was
and
always together.
Exactly.
Oh, I used it, right?
Yeah, we used it in the hotel. What?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Do you know? Okay.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Meron din yung iba.
Meron
Buds
ako with Buds 2.
Ay, wow!
Congratulations.
Akin live beam.
Yeah.
Sa akin,
Parehas
sa
tayo.
Live.
Favorite ko talaga guys yung live beats.
Ako din.
Kasi may siya,
Ay,
may
buds
pang
pala
grip
sa
siya sa tenga. Like si...
Nawala yung ba si Jiro? Sino daw magbibigay sa kanya?
Oo nga. Ano wala kasi yung left button?
Sino magbibigay? Ako yung lang right bag ko lang yung nawawala.
Sino yung magbibigay sa amin?
May magbibigay ba sa amin ng isang piraso?
Kahit isang piraso lang.
Bakit magbibigay nga sila ng isang piraso?
So JBL sa Fest, no? Oh, ito na yung JBL,
Gaganahan ako mag. No. Ganda ng billboard nyo guys.
Nakita namin kahapon.
Oh guys, thank you.
Paano sabi natin?
Sabi namin ka to, wait, kunyari yun yung billboard. Kung gumagano na, 1, 2, 3, go.
Uy, sino yung tagahawak ng phone kahapon?
Si Gio.
Ako.
Dapat ikaw yung gumagano tapos ako bibigyan.
Ako nag-story
Oo nga
video.
para
May nag-video.
Pero thank you, Ninang GBL. We love
Thank you,
you.
thank you.
Thank you so much
Oh my
guys.
God.
Love you all.
And that's already our second one.
Yeah.
Kasi yung first natin last month was the digital billboard. And this one, there's a physical billboard. Iiyak na lang ako. Kasi sobrang, never namin na-imagine. First natin yun, di ba? First natin talagang,
Yeah, like
first natin yung official talagang billboard.
Congratulations.
Congratulations for us.
Thank you, JBL.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Sana po nandun po yan for 5 years. Para, walang kupas.
Yes.
Nandun lang siya hanggang mag-fade away.
Stay strong.
Yes. Guys, pupunta ba kayo sa Soundfest? Let's see. Comment if you're gonna go.
Say, what word should they say? Dare to
You should say,
to listen.
yes, dare to listen.
Dare to listen. If you're going to the JBL Soundfest, type in dare to listen.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see.
Sino ba? Sino daw to? Si
Hey.
Ara
Ara.
_15
ZDM.
ZDM. See you sa
14.
December 14. Yes, dare to listen. Dare to listen. Wow, some
Yeah.
people are coming.
Guys,
Guys,
to listen.
if you guys want to go, because when is it? Until when can you buy?
Oh yeah, because you can all still get the tickets until 12 noon ng day itself, ng
Yeah.
December 14. Until 12 noon. So, kung magbubukas ang mall and you're going to buy a JBL product, sa mga mall 10,
Yeah.
11. So, you only have that much on the day itself.
So we do not actually recommend you guys buy.
You should get it now.
You get it now,
Go
and
to a mall, get
maybe
it now.
latest is like a day before.
Yeah.
Just don't do it on the day itself.
Yeah,
It's gonna
baka
be hard.
ma-stress kayo.
Yeah.
Kasi-
Pero, yeah, so you can, so the way you can get your JBL Soundfest pass is by purchasing participating JBL products.
Yes.
And you gotta like send a proof and like upload the photo and everything sa jblpromo.com.ph.
Yes.
And then you get your pass and you're gonna go to Soundfest December 14th.
Until 12 noon is the last, but
Yeah,
we
it's
don't
last
recommend
one.
it.
Yeah.
You should, if you want to go and you want to come, because there's going to be a lot of things that's going to be happening in cooking. We are cooking for you guys.
Yes.
And not just us, there's also other artists as well who are going to be there. And marami ding other activities naman. Kaya it's going to be a fun-filled day that I hope you guys are looking forward to December 14th. And the gates open 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
Yeah.
3 p.m.
Yes.
3 p.m. Gates are open and you guys can enjoy and already start the party.
Yeah.
That early?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala, may nagsabi dito. Finals ko niyan pero hahabol ako para papanood ko.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you po.
Pris,
Ate Ko.
cool.
Wow.
Pati si Christine Water. Christine Water.
Ito po. And sa mga pupunta, dapat, pwede din sila magdala ng umbrella, di ba?
Yeah,
Kasi,
Oo.
maulan na din.
Yeah,
Mas
today
maulan.
nga maulan dito eh. Nasa Pilipinas kami
Maulan
ngayon,
sa
by the way,
Pilipinas.
guys. Wala kami sorry.
Gulat na gulat nga tayo kahapon eh, di ba? Nung
Yeah.
pupuntang
Kasi when we're in Korea, hindi naman super tagaktak yung ulan.
Mm.
Like,
Malamig lang
ambon
talaga.
lang, gano'n. Pero kahapon lang ulit kami nakita ng grabe yung ulan. Kaya I hope everyone's...
Pero favorite ko talaga yung rainy seasons.
Yeah.
Pero kapag nag-uulan, parang nalulungkot ako. Feel ko mag-isa.
Ako
Meron
masaya.
ako, meron ganun eh.
Ako feel na feel ko. Kasi nagpe-play ako with my JBL headphones, with my JBL speaker, ng sad songs, tapos feel na feel kong sad boy. Yun.
Aww. Sad boy.
Sad boy!
Inaantok, tapos nagpapatugtog din yung JBL ng pampatulog siya.
Yeah. Lahat tayo may speaker, no?
Yes.
Yeah!
Ano yung sa inyo?
Okay. Sa'yo.
Charge.
Go
Sa akin,
for.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Charge 5 yung
Yeah,
Same.
same.
Sa akin,
Charge.
Tapos yung charge 5, kasi nga, sino may charge 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pwede nyo siyang i-connect lahat up to like 100 or like unlimited. I'm not even sure.
Nag-fusion sila, guys.
Yeah, they can be the whole Soundfest.
Yeah.
Maganda talaga siya.
Yeah. Pero pinili ko yung Go kasi lagi akong nag-speaker sa shower.
Ang cute nga.
Oh,
Sing!
waterproof
Sing!
din. Oo.
Kaya masaya ang makinig.
Parang
Grabe
speaker.
ka. Sige nga, mas naman daming speaker. Mayroon pa siya, yung
Hey, yung akin.
Bakit dalawa?
Hindi, isa lang ma.
JBL.
Hindi nakakaiba yung, ang galing kasi sila apat pare-pareho charge, tapos yung sa inyo, same kayo.
Ay,
Sa akin lang yung nakakaiba.
Parehas
Hindi
kami
pa ako.
ni Racer ng kulay, tapos sa'yo
Pink.
Sa'yo ay
Red.
Cute yung pink.
Sa akin, green ata, green and
black, pink, red. And
Black.
Ano kami, guys? Power Ranger.
Power Rangers.
Sorry. Ay, Power Rangers post ulit tayo.
Oo nga.
Power
Go.
Ranger.
Post muna. Let's go. Mag-ano na tayo, screenshot agad ng maaga para yung mga nandito pa. Wow,
Gawin natin yung anchors.
Oo nga. Anchor, paano yan?
Ganito.
Eh, dapat kita yung sex.
Tapos yung mukha ko yung pinaka ano.
Anchor. Ay, i-straight mo yung... Ay, i-ganon mo yung kamay mo, Racer. Yan.
Tapos taas mo pa.
Taas mo yung kamay mo ganon.
Ikaw.
Giro.
Yeah.
Hey!
Another set!
안녕하세요.
We are...
Anchor!
Sensokso! 진짜 sensokso!
And this has been
Anchor.
joke lang.
Tinapos niyo.
Kumain na ba kayo, guys?
Ako hindi.
Kung wala.
Wala pa.
Marami ding food concessionaire sa Soundfest.
Yes.
So if magutom kayo, no problem.
Yes. And also,
Sim
since
guys.
nga 3 p.m. yung like open gate, and then it's gonna be like a long day, baka malubat yung mga cellphone nyo. There will be like charging stations naman there.
See.
So everyone can charge their phones. So that's okay. It's really fine. So you can camp there. It's fine. Yeah.
But you can also bring your power bank.
You can do that. Yeah.
And bring
True.
bring money for food, of course, pag
Pocket
nagutom.
money.
And yeah.
Basta yung umbrella.
Ala,
Payong talaga.
gandang hapon
Sanitizer,
from Switzerland.
Hey! Ano dinner nyo? Ask ni Anchor Jen.
Wala pa.
Uy, masarap yung tinola kanina natin.
Green apple yung sa akin.
Green apple.
Green
Sa
apple.
akin chips.
Apple.
First time yun daw ni Vince
Apple.
makatikim ng
Fresh.
bitapon.
First time ko yun. Butag iso.
Oh.
Toto, magsalita ka naman ng Hangul.
Yay!
Kasi, honor, yun? Mahal ako sir. Tama ba?
May, wala akong sabi.
Amay.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow, you're improving.
Wow. Sabi niya guys, wala daw siyang masabi today.
Yeah. Speechless.
Yes, spatial
You're speechless.
Someone said, suspect challenge OT7.
Oh.
Secret.
Secret.
Secret thing.
Secret. It's a secret.
See you sa JBL. Greetings from Davao. Wow.
Wow.
So galing ka pa Davao and then you're going
So
to
you will fly.
Thank
They will
you.
fly.
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Marcus, sing tayo ng headphone.
Oh.
Flex it.
Quantum gang, let's go.
He-
Gamers.
Uses this 24/7.
I really do. I wonder if it smells.
And it's also ano diba, wire.
Yeah, you can use it like Type-C or like earphone jack or Bluetooth, or you can use the dongle. You can use anything.
Pakita mo pag mukha ka, paano magmukhang director.
Pati pilot.
Okay guys, so
Yes!
stage 4.
Stage 4.
May ganito siya, meron siyang lapel dito.
May lapel galing.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna fly to Manila.
So you don't use a mic, no? Just that.
Yeah, I just use this.
Yun yung gagamitin mo, di ba, sa 14?
Na
Hindi mo kami.
na mic sa stage.
Pag nag-record ka,
I can, yeah, I can.
Everything is possible.
Everything all at once.
If you
Concert.
dare to listen.
Good.
To listen.
Onjo. Magkikita na ulit kayo with SB19.
Our SB19.
Alam nyo guys, yung Spotify rap ko, yung top song ko is song ni Kuya Josh.
Yeah! Ano nga yun?
Pakiusap lang by Kuya Josh.
pakiusap na.
Best.
Lapit naman.
Best.
Best of the best.
Best of the best. Grabe.
Team naman.
May super challenge kayo pito.
Superman Challenge.
Challenge.
Yung sinasabi niyo ba guys, yung yo, namamiss ko na.
Superman.
Mag-go na.
Tapos malakas dapat. Para tumalsik yung...
Pero, ikaw lang yung agos namin. Walang rotation lang mangyayari ng instant lang.
Ako lang, pabalik-balik sa ano.
Dapat marami din kayong energy actually. Kasi magiging ang daming mangyayari sa JBL Soundfest na. From 3 hanggang gabi.
For until the next day.
Yeah.
Huwag kayong
As in, festival talaga siya guys. Huwag kayong pupunta doon na walang tulog.
Yes.
Walang
kain.
energy, walang...
Totoo.
Yeah, please.
Manghihina kayo doon.
Oo, kailangan maraming energy kasi may mga activities like mga dance,
True.
revo, gano'n. Marami pang mangyayari doon. Kaya, wag lang kami ang ipuntahan. Pupunta doon talaga kayo for everything.
For everything.
Yeah.
Kasi there will be bands,
Yeah,
mga
bands.
banda, syempre sila Kuya SB19. Sakto.
Feel nyo
so
yung
much.
yung advance Merry Christmas talaga.
Actually, yeah.
And huwag nyo kalimutan magdala ng mga tubig, yung mga kailangan talaga.
Let's
Mga
just hope na
essentials.
na lang it doesn't rain that
Yeah.
much. Para hindi tayo lahat mahirapan and everyone stays dry until the end. So yeah. But see you there sa 14. We're very excited.
Yes.
Yeah.
See you very soon.
Pag-rate kay Kyler.
May
Agree.
nagtatanong sa comment section.
Ay,
Pag-rate daw.
Hello, I always Dave. Sana masarap ulam mo ngayon.
Oh!
May nagtanong kanina kay DJ.
What?
Ano din top song natin sa Spotify Rap?
What's your top song?
My top song is Jebel Jebel Jebel.
Jebel,
Jebel.
Please, please, please.
Jebel Jebel Jebel.
Please.
For some reason, it's
Please.
Jebel Jebel Jebel.
Please by Sabrina Carpenter.
Yes!
Ikaw, ay alam ko yung kay Giro.
Ano yun?
Grand Perez.
Grand Perez.
No, it's not.
It's not?
It's my top artist. Wait.
Ah, top artist.
Oh guys, di ako
Kasi yung top artist ko, pati top
Meron
song
lang
is...
ako.
Top artist. Top
My top
artist.
song is Favorite.
Favorite song?
Written by Delarians and Marshall.
Guys, top artist ko talaga pinakamalapit. I can't even say it anymore. I can't even say it.
Ano, isasabihin niya yan in 10 years.
In 10 years, sasabihin ko yung top artist ko nung 2024.
2024.
Okay.
Wala, wala.
2034.
It's
sasabihin
ano
ko.
talaga eh, Horizon!
Yes!
Nasa Spotify rap ko ang Horizon.
True.
Kasi ganito guys, ginagamit kasi yung, ano ko, yung...
iPad.
Yung- Yeah.
Tapos,
Tapos, siya yung ginagamit namin pang practice, kaya yun yung ginagamit.
pang-practice. Kasi, kaya minsan nakikita ko nga yung mga tweet ng of course nakikita nila yung
Oo.
ano yung...
Yeah.
Kaya,
Shout out from Saudi!
Shout out po!
Saudi, shout out.
Hindi, from Saudi.
Ay,
galing siya sa
Saudi
Saudi.
Arabia.
Nasa Saudi.
Kala mo kayo yung pangalan.
Yung iba top out.
Top artist ko kayo.
Top artist.
Top out.
Daw tayo.
Top out.
Horizon.
Sino top artist ang Horizon? Bibigyan namin ng
free JBL.
ng hampas. Joke. Lovely hampas. Very massage ito. Gamit ang JBL.
Kim, bakit ang cute mo?
Yeah.
Kinilig na naman siya.
Yeah.
Lagi akong kinikilig.
Gamit ang kanya. Ang lakas pa nung sa'yo.
Hindi, bago lang yan. Feel ko mabubuhay ka talaga nito.
Yeah.
And din yun, at kailangan to.
Nung concert, di ba ginamit mo din?
Oo.
Ako din.
Baka in case lang, kailangan yun.
It's very helpful. Really.
Yeah.
Baka kailangan nyo ng mga ganito din for JBL Soundfest actually.
Kasi marami yan.
Kim, ano
Kahit
ka
feel
naman?
ko kahit maulan yun, mainit pa rin kasi maraming tao.
Top 216. Cute!
Wow!
Kapre.
Dabi-dabi takso.
Hey, Dabi!
Yan yung pinaka-
Guys, yun yung pinaka-favorite ko sa ano.
Oh wait, let's starting from now, let's speak in English for our international.
Oh,
yeah.
Let's go.
International English
So,
mode
guys,
activate.
Sige, ako lang yung taga-translate sa Tagalog kasi kawawa.
Oh,
Yes,
okay, this is fun. Okay.
Yeah, I'm super excited for the Soundfest 2024 because
You're
we're
right.
we've been preparing and there's just many things they can look out for.
So, sa Soundfest daw, marami kayong ano ulit? Kasi nag-prepare kami na maraming magaganap.
Yeah.
Diba tama?
More, ano pa? The
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, like the gates will open at 3:30 p.m. on December 14. You guys can buy tickets until 12 noon of the same day. So it's
What?
recommended you buy before that day.
Fighting!
Let's go!
So, sa 3 p.m. magsisimula yung ticket. Ay! Wait. Try it.
Mas bukas ang
Try it.
ang gate.
Yung gate lang.
3:30.
Yun. PM yan na, PM. Hindi yan AM.
DAM.
Ano pa?
Yung pangalawin ko.
And then you can buy your tickets until 12 noon
Yeah.
the same day. only.
So, you can buy. Makabili ka daw ng hanggang 12 PM ng ticket sa 12 PM noon.
Oh. Napapagod na yung translator natin.
Napapagod na yung utak niya, pero
Okay, let's
go
give
pa.
him a break.
Ikaw, Jiro, ano pa masasabi mo in English?
English.
Si Kim naman bahala sa'yo eh.
It'll be so much fun.
So, wait. Diyan. Cut.
Dapat mo doon.
So, maraming daw anong fan ng Tagalog? Masaya. Maraming masaya na
How about you, translate to your, talaga, dialect?
Oh, yeah.
So,
great idea.
Bacolod doon, di ba?
Bacolod.
Wait lang.
Like, how about
Sabaw na
you?
talaga ako. Wait lang.
No, Tagalog first and then after.
Kaya-
Oh, sige, Tagalog.
Okay,
Ay,
it'll be so much fun because we practice a lot and we make it like super fun. We make so much fun performances, so I hope you all go to our Songfest.
Our Soundfest, grabe. Inangkin! Grabe naman, hindi naman natin yung sa GBL.
Pero dapat tayo yung
We're part of it. So yeah, we're part of it.
So,
Our Soundfest.
So, kailangan nyo daw pumunta kasi maraming magandang magaganap kasi nag-practice talaga kami ng mabuti.
Okay, baka
How about
So, dapat, naging nga makadto mo, kaya ginhandaan mo niya.
Wow!
Some people said you should translate it in
Ah,
Korean.
Korean.
Kamsahamnida.
Wait ako, subo.
Okay, gusto mo. Hebo.
우리는
Oh.
Sunfest
Festival가.
페스티벌가
Story.
너무 좋아.
Yes.
너무 좋아요.
너무 재미있게 만들었어.
네.
네.
너무
아.
재밌어.
Yeah.
근데
신한데.
근데 연습 많이
많이 했어요.
했어요.
Ano naman?
Naging language lesson na.
Ano, Bisaya naman.
Walay.
Paano mo sasabihin ang
Dare to listen.
There also will be raffle prizes available. So sana sumali sila sa
Raffle.
and sa sa
Yes,
Soundfest
true.
kasi marami silang perks, ganun. Maraming bonus ganun, prize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Magkakamay dalawa raffle. Ano siya? Pakadto kang mga amon. As JBL Fest. Yes.
Yes!
Wow!
Ay, alam mo ang daming nagulat nung nagbisaya si Raster. Kailangan natin siya ipabisaya.
Ulan! Sana naman sila ganala sana.
Wait lang.
Anong-
Pwede mong sabihin... Ano ba yung mga sinulat ko? Na merong may pagkain, tapos may pagcha-charge ng cellphone, gano'n. Tapos may mga activities pang iba.
Na ay mga food.
Na yung mga pagkaon.
Na ay mga pagkaon.
Handa.
O charjang.
Charjan.
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, mahirap pala yun. Sarap.
Sapsapan.
Sige, invite mo na lang sila in Bisaya.
Baka di ka
Sabihin mo na lang, ulat!
Ulat mo, add mo sa JBL.
Oh.
Ano yung sayo?
Wait, wait lang. They don't mahal you like I mahal you.
Wow.
And sayo, Winston?
Wait lang.
Oh, hindi na mo wait lang. Hindi ata, wait lang. Wala.
Wala yung sayo?
Wait, sabihin mo nga ulit.
Kasi
Kasi
wait lang, they don't mahal you like I mahal you.
ayaw na diri ka nila sugad mahal ka tulad sugad ni Tabang.
Oh yeah, right.
That's
That's
right.
Diri ka ni
Alay?
diri ka nira.
Diri ka nira.
Diri ka nira gugma sugad ni Tapog.
Diri ka nila mahal gugma.
Bakit pag nagsasalita yung mga waray, parang nagra-rap sila?
Mabilis sila.
Mabilis talaga.
Mabilis talaga magsalita.
Feeling ko maraming magaling na rapper sa...
Main rappers.
Yeah.
So,
Tapos yung mga Ilonggo sobrang slow.
slow lang, tsaka
Maano,
balumanay.
mahal.
Tuod bala.
Tuod ba?
Nag-sound ka na?
Kahit mag-aaway, no? Kahit mag-aaway.
Sige, hagid bala ng tak. Anggid ko si Nguya karon. Sige, hagid bala.
Di ba?
Halo ka mo bala?
Wow! Ang galing. Amazing.
Wala ka nakabalong yun, sumbag ka nagulit sa likod.
Sumbago teron.
Sinturon.
I love to run.
I love, I don't love lumpia.
Wait?
I
What?
don't like lumpia.
Guys,
Wow.
what's your favorite type of isda?
Isda?
Ako, fried bangus. Na meron-
Fried tilapia.
Fried tilapia.
Inihaw na bangus.
Irilyana
Ay!
bangus.
Inihaw na bangus pala.
Oh, same kami ni Vinci.
Yeah.
Ako irilyana.
Guys, ako wala akong
Bangos,
paboritong isda.
Si
Wala
Finding
yung
Nemo.
lang. Si Finding Nemo. Pero guys, tilapia is the best. Pritong tilapia.
Yung sa akin ata yung flying fish.
Social yan
Yung
sa
masarap yun. Kapag marinated.
Flying.
Kasi parang siyang yung parang mahaba yung ano niya,
Wings.
fins.
Wings.
Tapos masarap yun.
So mukha siyang wings.
Pati dalagang bukid masarap din.
Tapos yung goldfish, ay joke na. Goldfish.
Bagong tignan.
Kinunot.
Guys, by the way, SM MOA concert grounds. We will see you there.
Yeah.
Not more. Not more. Not more arena.
Oh, it would be good though.
Yeah.
Tigbas.
We just did more.
Yeah, we've been there quite a few times.
Yes. Agree.
So yeah, we are so excited to end the year with you guys. Because this is also going to be like a year ender. Kasi December na naman, right? So
Yeah.
it's like a final performance. Yun naman.
What?
But a performance for all you guys. Na you guys will enjoy. For the holidays. Baunin nyo ang aming energy for the holidays. Diba?
Yes.
Tama.
Tama.
You agree? I'm agree with you, Vinci. I'm agree.
Guys, also during the Soundfest, there will be giveaways of our photo cards.
Oh,
yes!
Abangan nyo yan.
And of course, I know you guys are gonna be looking out for our photo cards, so
Yes.
stay tuned for that and collect all 7 of us.
Yes.
Good luck.
And all our anchors, please keep the paglilinisin ulit natin sa dapat malinis ang MOA concert grounds after.
Yes.
So maglinis tayo lahat. Wala dapat mahulog na photo card.
Yeah, tulungan namin kayo.
Yeah, and guys, ingat din sa mga gamit nyo, guys.
Yes.
Don't lose your stuff. Make it a happy night to remember. And really a festival that you guys will remember for a long time.
Yes, sir.
A memorable day with Horizon and JBL and a lot of other artists.
And pwede din sila kumuha ng confetti after lunch. Diba?
Oh.
Para malinis.
Iuwi na lang.
Grabe naman.
I-display nila. So yeah. See you there and we're so excited to see you guys there and perform for you guys. Do you have any last messages you want to say?
Jeremy's TMI is he bought his hat
Back in Korea. Before we
yeah,
go back.
before
we go here.
Yeah.
Oh, asa
It was
sa may
like,
salon natin.
yeah, it was really last second. Like he was just like, okay guys, I'll be back, and then he came back with a new hat.
Yeah, because he went the day before, but it was already closed when he went to
Yeah.
the store.
Yeah, and do you know when we were at the airport, he was like thinking to buy like just really expensive glasses. Like how much
Oh.
was it?
15.
Yeah.
Around 6
And like I was like, no way you
Yeah.
you're gonna buy that.
Sana all.
Yeah, same. Mapapasaya.
That's why we all just get sound gear frames.
That's why get sound gear frames.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Not only you get glasses, You get
But you get
the
new
sound.
All products.
Not only the frame.
What's that? Privilege.
Okay.
Someone said here, yung ano daw, yung labubo ko daw nasa. Actually guys, nandun siya sa kwarto ko. Katabi ko siya matulog.
Ano pinapakain mo sa
Sinishare ko siya ng
Oo, pinapakain.
french
Hindi
fries.
ba pinapakain?
Nagigising siya tuwing gabi.
Pag pinakain, like, it makes a sound.
Oo, bigla, tapos bigla.
Pre, baka may demonyo na yun.
Hindi!
Hindi,
Kasi yung labubo,
Gumagalaw
parang,
talaga.
di ba pag pakakainin mo, parang kikilitiin mo.
Oo,
Parang
tapos
gagawin
bilang
mo. Tapos
bubo ka na yung
gagawin mo, tapos pagkalagyan mo, ano pinapakain mo?
French fries.
Di ba yun?
Grabe tataba yun!
Real talk yan?
Oo! Pag
I mean, may pinapakain din ako sa kanyang cereal, gano'n.
Bawal yung malaki.
Bawal yung malaki. Konti
Pwede
lang.
yung mga nuts.
Hindi ko nga alam kung paano yun nilalabas yun eh. Nag-ano ba? Nag-re-release ba siya?
Gumaga nga siya eh.
Pre, paano pag hindi mo napakain tapos katabi mo tulog,
Ikaw
ikaw yung
Hindi.
kakainin?
Ay, pusa!
Actually guys, mabait si Hehe. Hehe yung pangalan
Si Hehe. Alam ko si Hehe kasi hindi siya nakakain ng tao.
Cute siya.
Hindi siya nakakain. Hindi siya nakakain.
Yung ibang ano lang, labubo guys.
Yeah.
Pero ganun yung mga labo. Di ba?
Tuwing gabi talaga nagigising yun. Pagtulog na kayo.
At least may katabi ka, no?
Tuwing
Ano ba yung mga pangalan pa nila? Si Hehe.
Si Hehe, si Baba, tapos nakalimutan ko yung ibang
Ay, try
ano
kaya
eh.
natin lagyan ng labubo tong JBL.
Sige, try ko na magkaroon ng labubo.
Pakainin mo.
Actually
Ano
guys,
pa pakain mo sa
yung
labubo?
dalawa yung hinahanap ko, like si Baba tsaka si Hehe. At masaya lang ako kasi nakuha ko na si Hehe.
It's possible. Well, this is not labubo, but I think it's possible to like put charms in it.
Si Baba na lang yung tulad ko.
Saan yung mabibili yung labubo?
Sa ano?
Sa Korea lang?
Join it. Meron pwede sa Korea.
Pwede rin here. Lalo na dito.
Mahirap yata bumili.
Isa exclusive yun, pre.
Sayang. Pero grabe, no?
Wait, may tanong ako sa inyo guys. Anong gusto niyong regalo sa Pasko?
Wow,
Bibili kayo si anong bahala.
Anong gusto
Sagot
niyo?
na daw ni
Request
Kuya
lang
Kyler.
kayo sa
So,
Kyler.
lagay niya dyan mga,
Collector ng labubo.
TV.
Gusto daw nila ng JBL Horizon 2.
JBL Horizon.
I want a JBL Horizon 2 too.
Ano kaya pinag-usapan nila JBL?
Lagi na sila nabubulungan, lagi silang hindi namin alam. Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo? Labubo.
Tingin natin.
Oh! It's possible.
Wow, it's cute.
Ganito.
Ano, pwede
Pagka
ko
nakita
Pero
mo.
matatamaan ang mukha mo.
Okay lang yun.
Design yan. Datam, kabilaan eh. Ooh!
Pre, may kasamang sampalan sa mukha ko ah.
Ay,
Wow!
Instead,
May nagsabi si Vinci dahil gusto niya sa Pasko niya.
Nag-jebal pa siya. Nag-jebal pa siya.
Gagawin mo ba akong labubo? Hindi ako kumakain.
O sabihin mo thank you
French
po.
fries. Thank you po!
Nagsabay pa. Ang galing.
Lang saya. Parang gusto ko to.
Baka nahigaw ko ah.
Kaya nga kasi wala akong butas ng tenga. So
Yun,
baka ito
bagay.
na yung gawin kong earrings.
Dalawa.
Guys, do this.
But like, me and Kavichi want to like bubble this before. Like,
Ayun! Di ba nasabi mo sa akin yun? Joke lang.
but like,
Sige, patay ka sa mami mo.
Matay ka talaga.
alam niya?
Tita!
Tita! Gusto magpabutas sa tenga, may butas sa tenga eh. May butas sa mga tenga mo.
Nagsubok sa
Dalawa.
di kasi. Alam mo, kaya i-end na natin. Bye!
They're like, ano?
Hey, may hila sila! Hey!
Ganito tayo ka.
Little monkeys!
Happy
Dumpty!
Mama ko
The doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang ko tatlo, nakatago na kayo.
Wanna be a
To be a good deal star.
How about the mo di ba today?
Grabe.
Last na, Christmas song. Si, ano ka? Wait.
Last Christmas, I gave you
Alam ko na.
So,
Christmas song yan?
it is the most beautiful.
Tama.
Whenever I see girls and boys in the maternity street, I remember the child, and the child remembers me. Whenever I see boys and girls in the maternity street, I remember that Christmas, and the feeling comes in heart. This night on Christmas Day, the Christmas tree is
Guys, wala na mo.
Wala pa po kasi kaming kain.
Yeah. Pero Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat, guys.
Yes, Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year!
Bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Kita sa December 14. December 14.
POV na yun ang na-flash. POV lang na-flash.
Na-flash na tayo.
Bye,
See you on December 14! Woo!
Nyam, 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 nyam.